Did you know that a breakfast staple many seniors rely on, oatmeal, can actually become harmful when paired with just a few everyday foods? Astonished face in the next few minutes will reveal 4 common foods you should never mix with oatmeal, and the surprising reasons why they could impact your health. Stick around, because this could change your morning routine forever. Whether you want to stay healthy, boost digestion, or protect your heart, you don't want to miss this. And hey, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content that keeps you informed and safe every day. Lesson 1. Why citrus fruits and oatmeal don't always mix. Tangerine. Oatmeal is one of the healthiest breakfast choices for seniors. It's warm, filling, and packed with fiber that helps digestion and keeps your heart healthy. But did you know that pairing oatmeal with certain foods, like citrus fruits, might actually reduce its benefits? Yes, even healthy foods can sometimes clash. Citrus fruits, like oranges, grapefruits, and lemons, are full of vitamin C, antioxidants, and natural sweetness. They are fantastic for your immune system and overall health. But when combined with oatmeal, they can interfere with the way your body absorbs nutrients. For seniors, this can sometimes lead to mild stomach discomfort or make digestion slower. Imagine starting your day with a meal that's supposed to energize you, but instead leaves you feeling uneasy. That's why it's important to pay attention to food combinations. The good news is, there's a simple solution. Instead of mixing oatmeal with citrus fruits, try adding gentle, tummy-friendly fruits like bananas, blueberries, or strawberries. These fruits not only taste delicious but also complement oatmeal's natural fiber. Bananas, for instance, are easy on the stomach, help maintain steady energy, and keep your heart strong. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants and make your oatmeal visually beautiful too. This small change can make a huge difference in how you feel throughout the morning. Imagine enjoying your warm bowl of oatmeal without any bloating or discomfort, while still getting a boost of energy and nutrients. By making mindful choices, you turn your breakfast into a power-packed meal that supports your health every single day. So next time you reach for that orange to squeeze into your oatmeal, pause and think, would a handful of berries be better? Your body and your mornings will thank you. Remember, healthy eating isn't about giving up good food, it's about making smarter combinations that keep you feeling your best. Stay tuned for the next lesson, where we'll uncover another common food that can turn your favorite oatmeal into a hidden risk and learn a simple tip to enjoy it safely. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips that keep your breakfast and your life healthy and happy. Lesson 2. Why too much dairy in oatmeal can be tricky. Glass of milk. Oatmeal is a beloved breakfast, especially for seniors. It's warm, filling, and full of fiber that helps your digestion and keeps your heart happy. Many people love to add milk, cream, or cheese to make it creamy and flavorful. But did you know that too much dairy in oatmeal can sometimes create problems? Don't worry, this doesn't mean you have to give up your favorite comfort food. It's all about balance. Dairy products like milk and cheese are full of protein and calcium, which are great for strong bones. But for some seniors, heavy dairy can be hard to digest and might even increase cholesterol levels if consumed in large amounts. Imagine starting your day with a bowl of oatmeal that feels heavy in your stomach or leaves you feeling sluggish. That's why it's important to choose wisely and enjoy your breakfast without worry. Here's a simple, delicious solution. Instead of pouring a full glass of cow's milk into your oatmeal, try lighter alternatives like almond milk, oat milk, or soy milk. These plant-based options are gentle on the stomach, low in saturated fat, and still make your oatmeal creamy and tasty. You can also add a little yogurt on top for smoothness and probiotics that support digestion. This way, you get the creamy texture you love without overloading your body. Another fun tip is to mix in small pieces of fruit or a handful of nuts. Not only does it make your oatmeal look and taste amazing, but it also adds natural sweetness, crunch, and extra nutrients. Your breakfast becomes a feast for both your eyes and your body. By making this small adjustment, you turn your oatmeal into a light, nourishing meal that supports energy, heart health, and overall well-being. Eating well doesn't have to be complicated, it's about making smart, simple swaps that feel good and taste amazing. So next time you sit down with your oatmeal, remember, a little dairy goes a long way, and choosing the right type can make your mornings healthier and happier. Stay tuned for our next lesson, where we'll reveal another common food that can sneakily affect your oatmeal and how to enjoy it safely. And of course, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips to keep your breakfasts and your life healthy, simple, and joyful. Lesson 3. Why sugary add-ins can turn healthy oatmeal risky sweet. Oatmeal is often called a superfood, and for good reason. It's warm, comforting, and packed with fiber that keeps your heart and digestion happy. Many seniors love adding sugar, honey, or syrup to make it taste sweeter. But here's a surprising truth. Too much sugar can actually turn your healthy oatmeal into a sneaky health risk. Don't worry, you don't have to give up sweetness entirely. It's all about making smart, tasty choices. Adding lots of sugar to oatmeal can cause your blood sugar to spike quickly. For seniors, this can lead to energy crashes, irritability, or even increase the risk of long-term health problems. Imagine enjoying your morning bowl and then feeling sluggish or tired just an hour later. That's exactly what happens when sugar overpowers the natural goodness of oatmeal. The good news? There are delicious alternatives that keep your oatmeal sweet and healthy. Try adding fresh fruits like berries, bananas, or chopped apples. These fruits bring natural sweetness along with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants that support your heart and boost energy. Cinnamon is another great option. It adds a warm, comforting flavor without affecting blood sugar. Nuts and seeds are perfect too. They give a satisfying crunch and healthy fats that help you feel full and energized. By making these small swaps, your oatmeal transforms from just a breakfast into a nourishing meal that fuels your day. You can enjoy sweetness, texture, and flavor, all while keeping your body happy. Think of it as turning your oatmeal into a colorful, vibrant bowl of health that's exciting to eat every morning. Eating well doesn't mean sacrificing taste. It's about finding the perfect balance between delicious and nutritious. A few simple changes can make a huge difference in how you feel, giving you steady energy, better digestion, and a happier heart. So next time you reach for sugar or syrup, pause and consider adding a handful of fresh fruit, a sprinkle of cinnamon, or some crunchy nuts. Your mornings and your body will thank you. And of course, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy, practical tips that make healthy living simple, joyful, and delicious. Lesson 4. Why high-sodium toppings can sneakily harm your oatmeal bacon. Oatmeal is one of the healthiest breakfasts you can enjoy, warm, filling, and packed with fiber that supports your heart and digestion. Many seniors love to make their oatmeal savory by adding bacon, processed meats, or salty snacks. While it might taste delicious, too much salt can quietly cause problems, especially for the heart and blood pressure. Don't worry though, you can still enjoy flavorful oatmeal with just a few smart swaps. High-sodium foods may seem harmless in small amounts, but over time, they can raise blood pressure, strain the heart, and even cause water retention. Imagine starting your day with a bowl of oatmeal that's supposed to be healthy, only to unknowingly stress your heart. It sounds scary, but the solution is simple. Here's the good news. You can make savory oatmeal both tasty and heart-friendly. Try adding fresh vegetables like spinach, tomatoes, or mushrooms. They bring color, flavor, and nutrients that help keep your body strong. Herbs and spices, like parsley, turmeric, or paprika, can add a burst of taste without a pinch of salt. Even a dash of low-sodium soy sauce or a sprinkle of seeds can give a satisfying flavor boost. By making these small, mindful changes, your oatmeal becomes a nourishing and delicious meal that supports your health instead of harming it. You can enjoy the savory flavors you love while keeping your heart and blood pressure in check. It's all about turning simple ingredients into a power-packed breakfast that makes you feel energized and happy. Eating healthy doesn't mean giving up on taste. With creativity and smart choices, your oatmeal can be a bowl full of goodness that looks amazing, tastes amazing, and keeps you feeling amazing. Think of it as a way to start each morning on a positive note, knowing you're taking care of your body one delicious bite at a time. So next time you think of reaching for bacon or processed meat, pause and try adding fresh veggies, herbs, or seeds instead. Your body and your mornings will thank you. And remember, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips that make healthy living simple, joyful, and full of flavor. Conclusion. Thank you for sticking with us through these important lessons about oatmeal and how to enjoy it safely. We've learned how small changes like avoiding citrus fruits, limiting dairy, cutting down on sugar, and skipping high-sodium toppings can make a huge difference in your health and mornings. If you found even a little tip helpful today, we'd love to hear from you. Share your thoughts, experiences, or your favorite oatmeal combinations in the comments below. Your feedback not only helps us create better content but also inspires others to make smarter, healthier choices. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tips that protect your health and make life easier.